What's up? Good morning, everyone. I'm over here trying to get my car ready for the track day on this weekend, or next weekend. It's running really rich. Gotta get Nistune installed, but no one on this island wants to do it for me. So I'm gonna take the ferry. Go on an adventure. Big adventure. 6 in the morning. Got a full tank of 94 octane. Yep, that's mint. Oh, we're doing 0 kilometers an hour down the highway. Fucking mint. Do some cold pulls, boys. Dyno day, time to tune the old shit box. We are not doing 160 though. Not by any means. I just got passed by a RAV4. Car actually made it up to temp though, now that it has a thermostat and on the oil cooler and the cooling system. Pretty novel invention, the thermostat. I don't know, I should have tried it before. Sounds kind of cool. Got my passenger seat full of Bluetooth speakers, some ECUs, spare igniter. I got a Red Bull stash there, everything you might need. Hoping today goes smooth. Well, what a beautiful morning it would be to be on that ferry right there that I fucking missed. It's a great start to the day. Now, it's going to be a late day. That's kind of a fuck up. Pretty big fuck up. Not going to lie. So, I don't really know what I'm going to do for the next 2 hours. Kind of chokes. Every time I go to Vancouver, it goes to shit. So disorganized. Typical shit show fashion. The ferry line's starting to move. 2 hours late because I missed my fucking ferry. Also, the person in front of me's cars won't start. I can hear a starter clicking, their lights are flickering. I might have cables. Let's go see if it's a manual. Oh shit. I'm just gonna drive around, fuck that. Parking brake engaged. Fast lane, bro. Is my car too low? Going pretty well. I just watched him turn out the boost controller, which is a good sign. Means he's got it running well on probably somewhere in the 10-pound range. took a rip yesterday over to RG Racing in the Dumpy 180SX to get a tune, and fucking overall good day. Definitely had some issues. I hooked some shit up backwards. I think my butterfly valves were doing the opposite of what they were supposed to, killing all the horsepower because I was making like 130 wheel when I showed up there. So that explains why the car felt so slow, because it is. But yeah, we got it all sorted, got it all tuned, and not fast, but quick.